Experiencing data issues with your T-Mobile phone while traveling abroad? This video will guide you through the common causes and fixes. Typically, problems arise from roaming settings, APN configurations, or eSIM setup. First, ensure international roaming is enabled in your T-Mobile app or account settings. Roaming allows your phone to connect to foreign networks. Also, check for recent T-Mobile updates that have improved eSIM support and fixed roaming bugs in your plan. T-Mobile's app integrates AI to help guide with setup for APN and eSIM. If roaming is active but data still isn't working, verify your APN settings. The correct APN for T-Mobile is fast.tmobile.com. You can find APN settings in your phone's network settings. Incorrect APN settings are a common cause of data problems. For eSIM users, ensure your eSIM profile is correctly downloaded and activated via the T-Mobile app. This digital SIM card allows you to use data-only plans without swapping physical SIMs. Also, verify your network selection in device settings.